some more and I'ma get in my bag. Gas the whip, don't be moving too fast. Psych got loud, put 100 on dash. It's too live.
Y'all. I'm all excited, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you. I got my first two, not really parts, but parts. I'm gonna say it. All right. The first one is just my colorful fans. And then the next one is my case. Oh gosh, you guys. I'm about to have to sit here and put this together and like actually try and like know what I'm doing so I don't mess up. We're gonna sit here and try and put this thing together. I'm just freaking excited, you guys.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broken soul. No, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time.
Alright, I'm currently about to take out my processor and my motherboard. I think I'm going to do my motherboard first just so I can screw that in place and see sizing and everything, because I also do have to stick this little node thing from my fans, my LED fans, so the RBG needs to have some kind of placement, and I don't really know spacing on this.
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is the guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me.
Something girls need love too. Yeah, girls need love too. Girls need love. It takes something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love. Some girls need love. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't fight. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be some love. Ay, I need some love. Ay, and you can't judge. Girls need love too. Yeah, love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. So what's it good?
Alright, before my battery dies, this is my current build so far while we're waiting for the rest of the parts tomorrow. Ooh, the ring light is making a glare. Anyway, that's what we have. Processor's in there, sync is in there, power supplies in there, fans are in there. We're just missing my RAM, so the memory, and I have my 2 storage. That's basically all I'm missing in my video card. And my video, all that's supposed to come tomorrow, so this build should be complete by tomorrow. I got more parts. So we're gonna open smallish to biggest. And honestly, this is the smallest one, because it's in the little thing. I'm just gonna rip it. I don't even think I could do that. Where's the scissors? Alright, we got one of my SSDs. God freaking dang. Alright, we got one SSD. If it's gonna focus. It took forever. Honestly, I think I could just, yeah. Ooh, we got my memory. We got my memory. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're making progress. We literally just need my video card and my capture card. But hey, video card came in. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna keep this stuff from coming out. Video card is here. Okay, so the thing is, I'm gonna have to put it in like this. I'm literally just waiting for the Elgato, I think, now.
Overnight, out of sight, you magnified.
I'm tired of doing it for so long. We're about to see if this freaking thing starts up. That's all I'm really curious about. Well, it looks like I did it right. Let's get closer into this. Let's see what's going on. This is my PC, y'all. I took the tempered glass off, but that is the finished. This ain't the finished look. I'm gonna have a capture card and a another SSD right here in the end. It's got 2 slots. So this is what it looks like currently. It's running. Looks like everything's working on the monitor. It's popping up exactly what I have. So we're about to get into this PC. So on my PC, I actually got 4 sticks of RAM, so the RAM situation is fixed. I have a 2060 GPU now, and I think I got a new PSU. But otherwise, that's it. That's everything that I changed. I got Baby Yoda in there, I got Princess Tiana. Otherwise, this is my PC now. Definitely changed a little bit, but way better. But yeah. card. Where you at? Video card. Video cord. Not really sure. Ah!